రామ జయ రామ రామ
నూకల చిన్న సత్యనారాయణ గారికి మరియు ఆడియన్స్లో ఉన్న పెద్దలందరికీ మా నమస్కారం. శ్రీరాముడి మీద ఈ ఎపిసోడ్ చేద్దామనుకోగానే చాలా సంతోషం వేసింది. మ్యాటర్కి కొద్దిగా ఉంది. ఎటు చూసినా రాముడి పాటలు, సినిమాలు, వాగ్గేయకారుల గేయాలు, ఎన్నెన్నో ఎంతెంతో ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్. తీరా పుస్తకాలు, పాటల క్యాసెట్స్, సీడీలు వేసుకుని కూర్చున్న తర్వాత పోయింది, గొంతుక మోగపోయింది. ఎన్ని పాటలు విన్నా తనివి తీరటం లేదు. ఏది సెలెక్ట్ చేయాలి, ఏది వదిలివేయాలి, ఈ భక్తిని గురించి ఏ మాటల్లో చెప్పాలి, ఏ పదాలను వాడాలి, ఈ అనుభూతిని ఎలా వివరించాలి. అందుకే ఈ భక్తి మాధుర్యాన్ని ఎవరికి వారే తెలుసుకోవాలి. శ్రీరామ నామాలు శతకోటి, ఒక్కొక్క పేరు బహుతీపి. అలాగే రాతినైనా నాతిని చేసే నీ దివ్య స్వరూపం, ఏమి రామ కథ శబరి శబరి, రామ కథ సుధా మధురమిది. ఇలా భక్తి పార్వశ్యంతో ముంచెత్తుతూ ఎంతమందో ఎన్నో పాటలు పాడారు. ఈ రామశబ్దంలో అనిర్వచనీయమైన రమ్యత ఉన్నది. తరతరాలుగా ఋషులు, సాధకులు, హరిదాసులు జపించి ధ్యానం చేసి విడవకుండా ఉన్న ఇటువంటి నామం చరిత్రలో మరి ఎక్కడా ఉండదు. టు మీ, Rama, described as the Lord of Sita, son of Dashratha, is the all-powerful essence whose name inscribed in the heart removes all suffering, mental, moral and physical, అంటారు మహాత్మా గాంధీ. రాముడి కథ రామాయణం ఇది మహాకావ్యం. తండ్రి మాట కోసం రాజ్యాన్ని తృణప్రాయంగా వదిలిపెట్టిన శ్రీరాముడికి తన జీవితం అంతా కష్టాలే. అయినా ఎక్కడా ధర్మం వీడడు, ఒక్క మాట తుల్లడు. అందుకని ఆ అందాల రాముడు, ఇందీవర శ్యాముడు, కులాది సోముడు అయినాడు మనకు దేవుడు. రామాయణంలోని ప్రతి పాత్రలోనూ మనం నేర్చుకోదగ్గది ఏదో ఒకటి ఉంది. ముఖ్యంగా రాముడు, లక్ష్మణుడు, హనుమంతుడు ఈనాటికి వేలాది జీవితాలను ప్రభావితం చేస్తున్న వ్యక్తిత్వాలు. రామకథ ఆధ్యాత్మికంగాను, సాంస్కృతికంగాను, కళాత్మకంగాను అత్యంత రమ్యంగా, గాఢంగా ప్రజలను ప్రభావితం చేసిన కథ. కృష్ణుణ్ణి, రాముణ్ణి లేకపోతే భారతీయ సంస్కృతిని ఊహించుకోగలమా? అటువంటి రామాయణం మన ఆస్తి, అది మన సంపద. ఆనాటి అన్నమయ్య, రామదాసుల దగ్గర నుంచి ఈనాటి వరకు ఎందరో ఆ స్వామిని తనివి తీరా కీర్తించారు. ఆ మధుర రాగాలు కొన్నిటిని ఈవేళ ప్రముఖ గాయని వేదవతి గారు పాడతారు. అపరాజిత also will share some of her thoughts with you.
He is the foremost of the two towering figures that have dominated Indian history, mythology, literature, art, music, drama and sculpture since time immemorial. Indeed, in the world history, it is difficult to come across figures, literary or real, comparable to these two man-god figures, Rama and Krishna. Their vast scope of influence through the centuries upon a people is unmatched. Rama, the hero of the epic Ramayana, is an enchanting personality, handsome in figure and demeanor, epitome of all the virtues, the ideal figure as designed in the ancient Indian mindscape, and inspiring men holding forth a light, a direction for mankind to this day. And Ramayana is the great epic, and according to Sri Aurobindo, a a scholar, writer, and a giant in the spiritual lineage of this country, there is no other literary work as masterly, as comprehensively beautiful as the Ramayana. He says that even the works of Homer and Dante pale before the style and depth of Valmiki, the sage author of this unforgettable story of Rama, the son of Dasharatha. Seen as a story, Ramayana has all the elements of drama, tragedy, social commentary, statecraft, prescriptive doctrines for the king and subjects, for the family, for human beings and their conduct in war and in peace, with fellow beings and in nature. Indeed, it is a story that Indians have never been tired listening to in story and song. Eknath in Marathi, Tulsidas in Awadhi, Kamban in Tamil, Ezuttazan in Malayalam, Bulla, a tribal girl in Telugu, have all written and sung the story of Rama. But according to the Indian standards of literature, the purpose of literature is not only to give us the most telling description of the human mind and of life in all its colors. It is much more than that. The element of transcendence, which speaks of the frontiers of life, death and creation, and nourishes the natural urge for evolution in the human being, is said to be a key characteristic of great literature. And there is no literary work to surpass Ramayana in this factor. The characters of Rama, Sita and Hanuman inspire millions of people, and as just quoted by Nandini, Mahatma Gandhi, the great leader of this land during the freedom struggle, was inspired by this character and by the name of Rama. Today evening is a tribute in music and song to this legendary figure worshipped as a god. And the people of Andhra have had a special affinity to this benevolent figure. Innumerable poets and Vaggayakaras, beginning with Annamaya in the 14th century, Ramadas, Tyagaraja, Tumu Narsimhadas, and even in 20th century, M.S. Ramarao, all of them have sung unforgettable songs and written unforgettable poems about this character. As I said earlier, this evening is a tribute in music and song to the great being Sri Rama.
We are deeply honored to have amidst us a doyen and a multi-faceted Carnatic classical musician, Mahamahopadhyaya, Dr. Nukal Chinnasatyanarayana, a musicologist and an erudite scholar, an outstanding teacher befitting his title Mahamahopadhyaya. He is a performer and a lecture demonstrator of universal appeal and author of some of the most valuable and enriching works on music. He is an innovator of teaching methods and a great visionary. The commitment to the cause of music displayed by Nukala is rare to find. Such dedication and devotion to music have been his credo all 6 decades plus music career. He is always found occupied with music. He is either singing or teaching or writing about music or innovating newer methods in teaching music or planning for its propagation. He has innovated a unique technique of teaching through audio media. He has brought out a series of 40 audio tapes, Listen and Learn, covering the entire gamut of Carnatic music. These tapes help to bring out the awareness and appreciation of classical music besides catering to the needs of beginners and advanced students and research scholars. These tapes are very popular throughout the world and have an international acclaim. He has released many audio tapes and CDs. To list some of them, Tyagaraja Nauka Charitam, Utsav Sampradaya Kritis, devotional songs, Sri Krishna Leela Tarangams of Narayan Tirtha, Dikshitar Navagraha and Navavarna Kritis, Annamacharya Kritis, Samasastri Kritis, Kshetraya Padams, and concerts covering many major ragas and composers. Nukala has received several awards, among them, to name a few, Annamacharya Vidwan Mani, Saptagiri Sangeeta Vidwan Mani, Nada Nidhi, Nada Hrudayagna, Sangeeta Sarvabhauma, Sangeeta Kshira Sagara, Ganakala Gandharva, Sangeeta Sudhakara, and his recent most awards are Sangeeta Kalacharya from Madras Music Academy and Sangeeta Vidyanidhi from Andhra Music Academy. He has the privilege of singing in the presence of Sri Jawaharlal Nehru, Sri S. Radhakrishna, Sri V.V. Giri, former President of India and Mayor of London and Chicago, and many more. Nukala has travelled all over India performing in all prestigious organizations. He is the favourite choice of SPICMECE, Society for Promoting Indian Classical Music and Culture among youth. He has travelled throughout the world covering United States of America, Canada, United Kingdom, Ireland, Malaysia, Singapore and Mauritius. He has given performances and lecture demonstrations and conducted workshops in several prestigious universities, to name some: Cambridge, Oxford, Edinburgh, London, Wisconsin, Columbia and Colorado in USA. The title Mahamahapadhyaya is given to a musician who has trained 100 students. He has several hundreds of students ranging from beginners to doctorate trainees, 5-year-olds to 75-year-olds, prodigies to minimum gifted students. He has a passion for teaching and enjoys it very much. Dr. Nukala has founded Vishwakala Parishad, a non-profit organization for the cause of music and related activities, through which he holds chamber music concerts and conducts music festivals of all great composers. We are very happy to have you here today with us, sir, and we look forward to lecture demonstrations at Saptapadi in the near future. Thank you very much for being with us.
I would like to invite Samrajam Aunty to please honor with his shout.
We are very happy to start the evening program today. We are very happy to have Srimati Vedavati Prabhakar with us today. Thank you so much for so graciously accepting our request.